A vision is taking shape, a future is unfolding, and today we are excited to bring you one more step closer to spaces that will soon become homes. You are welcome to the new year. My name is Surveyor Mushofa Yahaya, and I'm a senior property consultant here at Val Real Estate Ghana. We are on site today to bring you our construction update report for January 2025. Let's go have a tour of our penthouse.
For the work at Harmonia Residence Project, we had finished the security works for all the floors and the block works, almost done for all the floors, and at the same time we are starting the block works at the mezzanine floor. We have mezzanine floor and the ground floor that includes shops and gym and restaurant and pharmacy. We are going to start doing all the works inside it. And for the external elevations, we had finished almost 80% of the plastering, and at the same time we are doing the curtain walls and the alcove about 40%. For the internal works, let's start with the painting. We reach up to the 11th floor, and at the same time the plasterboard works is going up to the 11th floor, and we are moving for the 12th floor. We have the windows and the doors. The windows we reach up to the 5th floor, and the doors we reach up to the 10th floor. Doing the floors, we have in Harmonia Residence the HDF floors. We reach up to the 8th floor, and are focusing now to finish the internal works very soon.
Harmonia Residence is gradually coming to fruition, with all floors complete and major interior works going on. Are you excited about what to expect in our next update? Then follow us on all of our social media platforms and stay updated. See you soon.